Hello everyone. Let's see the next feature of RadCORE. In RadCORE, when us open new options in the menu, uh, each screen, each form, it's aided in the tab control. Like, and I can see, okay? Now we can disable the tab control, and RadCORE it's open only one screen each time. Let's open the config control and tab layout, and now we have the tabs off. Now clicking the tabs, it's hide, and all option it's overrides the last tab opened. We can now open only one. The old option it's closed automatically. Okay? We think the Walter Fordham and the USA user of RadCORE that lets the feedback of the option to create this new feature. Thanks for all.